Stellar pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters past week, acquiring 267% in an unobtrusive way. XLM's very intraday volume essentially remains at $86, 124, 304 in an unpretentious manner. XL must pair exchanging above MA20, or so they explicitly thought. Stellar at present exchanges close $24 walk 2024. In this video we will walk you through Stellar cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these regularly certainly clarified some pressing issues. Facts, what explicitly is especially transient cost expectation for Stellar, basically as XLM a kind of wise interest in an essentially significant manner. Stellar help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how Stellar help and opposition levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the XLM specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an extremely enormous manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to total 499,063, 833, 658, which generally shows that market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to total 499,063, 833, 658, which truly is very huge. The especially complete exchanging volume basically remains at $68, 721, 671 T4, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65 to 694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63% in a fundamentally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of some 46%, coming to $3,412 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of some 49% within a similar time span, which sort of shows that Stellar help and opposition levels and so forth, showing how Stellar help and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. Sol, the truly local coin, Solana generally is somewhere near zone 37 and presently exchanging at $177.01 in a kind of significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of some 77% in esteem, which explicitly shows that the extremely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $68, 721, 671 T4 in a genuinely enormous manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in and in every way that really matters, descending heading for certainly present moment, which generally is very critical. As of now, a general quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Stellar help and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely enormous manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchases explicitly become sort of additional in every way that really matters, dynamic, and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is very critical. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors especially move extremely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Stellar help and obstruction levels and so on, showing how Stellar help and obstruction levels and so on in every practical sense large way. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Stellar XLM Stellar execution as indicated by price analysis market. File, Stellar XLM generally is exchanging at $13 with an exchanging volume of $86, 124,000, which for the most part is genuinely huge. However, XLM in every practical sense has seen a cost increment of 38% in the genuinely last 24 hours. XLM cost changes to 67% over the course of the week with a kind of complete market capitalization of $3,872.18,364 USD, exhibiting what essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63%, which generally is genuinely huge. Stellar Value Investigation XLM Cost Examination for 24 Walk 2024 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span generally made sense of beneath. exhibiting how support basically is a level at which purchases certainly become in every way that really matters, all the more certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they explicitly thought. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving. Truly normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving certainly normal SMA and outstanding moving fundamentally normal AMA to sort of dissect the future development of the stellar. So similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which merchants especially become move truly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how stellar help and opposition levels and so on, showing how stellar help and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, showing how stellar help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant. Specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely enormous manner. Stellar financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, showing that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a sort of descending heading for sort of present moment, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The sort of relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the XLM coin generally is in union zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 42, showing how following really are the help and opposition levels of stellar XLM stellar execution as per price analysis market record, stellar XLM essentially is. Exchanging at $13 with an exchanging volume of $86, 124, 304,000 in an especially enormous manner. While XLM's Williams %R marker generally is at 68.5 and 84 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. The exchange especially signal basically is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how support in a real sense is a level at which purchases explicitly become essentially more certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any all things considered further in a significant way. Ends the stellar market basically is given indications of being hopeful, and purchases in a real sense have the by and large potential to drive costs of the digital money a lot higher in every practical sense, next for the most part couple of days, which in a real sense shows that right now a really broad quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of XLM truly is supposed to especially break over its obstruction level of $12, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the XLM specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. On the really other hand, if stellar essentially broke out from the bullish example and drove its direction toward help level of $11, so moreover, Coco's BC